Hello friends, welcome back to our latest web development tutorial where we will take you on a step-by-step journey to design a beautiful hotel website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Whether you are a software developer looking to enhance your skill or beginner eager to learn the ropes of web development, this tutorial is perfect for you. In this video we will show you our design or here you see and sub footer subtitles about hotel for the faculties, and the name of my hotel is Gaurav Hotel. And here you see home page. We will start by crafting and inviting and managing home page that captures book now. Yes, book now and user-friendly navigation and comparing content to debut visitors hooks about us. Hotel story is an important is its room. Discover how to design and about us page that tell you hotel's unique tells its a value and what sets it apart from the rest. Room listing, type of room listing. Your guests are eager to explore your accommodation option. We will guide you through the process of creating an excellent room listing page complete with detailed images and booking options. And second is gallery. Showcase the beauty of your hotel with capturing gallery page. Here you see OMG, it's animation. See, and wait. Then HTML, CSS and JavaScript to display training image and image property only. Okay, and the last is contact us form and make it easier for potential guests to get in touch. We use a location and a form on this send message. It's easy for potential guests to get in touch with your hotel. We will demonstrate how to build contact page build with a user-friendly contact form, map, indication, and other essential information. By the end of this tutorial, we will have the skill to create a hotel website. It's a 7-star hotel website with book now and deluxe room, superior room, so on. Don't forget to like and share the subscribe for more web development tutorials and tips. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in comment section below. Happy coding. Yeah, there are the